Struggling to get soft and smooth moi moi without eggs? Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect eggless moi moi. Welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be getting these delicious recipes from the channel. For the ingredients we have the already peeled beans. If you want to see how this was peeled easily, click on the link above. Red bell peppers and 2 habanero peppers, a purple onion sliced. I'm going to blend all this. For the dried ingredients, we have Jammy soup spice, seasoning cube, salt to taste, grinded crayfish, but this is optional. I'll be blending the beans and the vegetables. I also added water to make it soft. You see these particles in the mix? When you want it smooth, you don't want to see this, so we need to blend more. Now we are done blending. Blend until you get this consistency. Next is to add my dried ingredients and mix thoroughly. Salt, seasoning cube, Jammy soup spice, add your grinded crayfish, this is optional. I'll be using banana leaves to wrap and cook the moi moi, and also containers, these aluminum containers. So now we are ready to cook the moi moi. We cook on medium heat. So this, we are using a steamer for this one, and for this we're just cooking it. So we added some peppers and leaves, banana leaves, to prevent it from sticking to the pot. Just adding the hot water. Moi moi is ready now. You can see it's solid. Yeah, and there's the leaves. It's all solid. So it's ready to be served. A soft and smooth moi moi without eggs is ready. So remember to like and comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you can be getting delicious recipes from Spice and Simplicity with Julie.